Well, come along in. It is Sunday. It's Cars and Coffee. Come check out this location.
We know that toaster.
Look at that.
How long has that car been there?
Forever. Been there a long time.
Fancy coffee.
Flashing in the morning sun. Cars and coffee. Hey, call me.
What's that? Yep.
Oh yeah.
See you shortly. All right, guys. Have fun. Plus, we gotta
I like your VW.
I like it too. Wait up! Wait for me!
What's going on over here?
Well, we're doing a little projecto here with Justin's cabbie, Daphne. We're gonna tack weld the tip on, exhaust tip, and just the tip,
Giggity.
only the tip, and then we're gonna go ahead and make some marks and put the stabilizer bar on over the strut powers.
And it actually stiffens up the chassis, and it doesn't bounce and kind of lean into corners. Oops.
Well, that completes it. We put on the strut, I guess the strut stabilizer bar. We drilled holes in the strut housings, and we put in rib nuts in there and put them in. That's good. We tack welded the tip on the exhaust. That's all good. So that is completed for today. We might go work on the 69 a little bit. I got a starter to put in there.
69 or the 61?
Well, 69 needs that starter, so really the 61 needs a lot of work. But now that my welder, having a little bit of issues here with the welder.
Ruh-roh.
The wheel isn't spinning. The wheel isn't spinning.
It's always something.
Yep, so. All right.
See you next week.